Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will talk about his book, Customer Relationship Management. How the customer relationship can be improved. It is important for an industry. The relationship must be the strong. What are the factors for improving the customer relationship? This will be discussed by the Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar, and he has written the book Customer Relationship Management, and he will discuss today about his book. Syllabus of the Customer Relationship Management. He discuss first the syllabus of the Customer Relationship Management. Objectives. Objective in this course is to develop in students an ability to manage effective relationship with customers in a range of the business setting. Effective relationship is important for any of the business. How to improve the effective relationship? This is important. Students would be able to design, develop, and integrate customer relationship mechanism in everything organization does. Develop strategies to use customer relationship mechanism for the competitive edge. You have to develop the customer relationship mechanism because these are the competitive edge is there. Develop a customer-centric organization culture. You have to develop a customer-centric, what the customer wants. You have to develop a culture in the organization that what the customer wants. Hence, this is the customer-centric. Business must be there. And the topics discussed are there. There are the 10 topics are there. Introduction to the CRM, introduction to the customer relationship management, definition of the customer relationship management, scope of the customer relationship management, evolution and the transformation of the customers. How the evolution of the transformation of the customers are there. Touch point analysis. Customer value. What are the value of the customer? Customer relationship styles. Customer relationship styles. Types of the customer value. Types of the customer value. Value co-creation. Types of the customer value. Value co-creation. Analyzing profitability of the customer. How the profitability to the customers can be achieved. This is to be analyzed. Lifetime customer value. What will be the value for the customer for the lifetime? Base profit analysis. Value chain analysis. Customer defection. And customer retention. Customer retention is the important for any of the business. You have to retain the customer. And you have to add the new customers. This is the policy for the business. Customer retention. How to retain the customer. Importance. Stages. Measurement for the customer retention. How the customer retention measurement can be done. This is important. Customer expectations. What are the customer expectations are there? You have to deal with the, what are the customer expect with the business? What the customer wants. Managing and delivering. Closed loop marketing, 360-degree marketing. What is the 360-degree marketing? What are the closed loop marketing? Data mining, cross-selling, and the upselling. Data mining, cross-selling, and the upselling. Technology for customer relations. What are the technology for the customer relation? Contact center technology, front desk management technology, customer relationship management technology, customer data management, e-customer relationship management. What is the e-customer relationship management? What is the importance of the e-customer relationship management? Recognizing the barriers. Recognize the barriers. What are the barriers are there to the internet adoption? Barriers are important. You have to identify the barrier, and you have to remove the barriers. What are the barriers are there? You have to remove the barriers for that. You have to remove the barriers to the internet adoption. In the 6th unit, he will discuss about the managing customer relationship. Managing the customer relationship. How to manage a customer relationship. What are the stages are there? What are the techniques to manage the relations? What are techniques to manage the relations? Customer experience management. What are the customer experience management in the area? Creating a customer profile. You have to create a customer profile. Knowing your customers. Know the customers. Knowing the customers is important. Many of the country are doing research to know the behavior of the customers. Know the customers. What the customer wants. What the customer wants. This is the really important. Know your customers. Segmenting and targeting the customers. You segment the targets, segment the customers and target the customers. Segmenting and targeting the customers. What are the tools used for segmenting and targeting the customers? What are the tools that are used for segmenting and targeting the customers? Delivering the customer offer. Delivering the customer offer. Deliver the customer offer. Developing and deploying CRM strategy. Develop the customer relationship management strategy and deploy that customer relationship management strategy. How to do that? What are the customer relationship management strategies there? You have to start with them. This is important for any of the business. Customer relationship management program life cycle. Building blocks. What are the building blocks are there? Customer relationship measurement. Customer relationship management measurement. What are the different type of the customer relationship? How to measure? How to measure the customer relationship management? What are the customer relationship matrices are there? You make a matrix that how your customers are basically you have a good relationship or not. You have a judge a matrix. आप एक मैट्रिक्स बनाइए कंपनी का कि आपका कस्टमर से रिलेशनशिप किस तरह का है ना? You have to be judge the customer relationship through them. Loyalty programs, types of the customer matrices are there? What are the different types of the customer matrices are there? You have to discuss in the detail. Customer indices are there. What are the customer indices are there? Composite and values. What are the composite and values are there? And the application of the matrices. What are the application of the matrices are there? Number 9, customer privacy. Need, importance, and its various elements. Analysis of the CRM strategy and approaches practiced by the successful business houses in India and abroad. Here, the analysis of the CRM, customer relationship management strategy and approaches practiced by the successful business houses. What are the different successful business houses in India and abroad, and what type of the strategy and approaches they are using, that have been discussed here. In the unit 10, he will discuss what are the emerging trends in the customer relationship management. Customer relationship management में क्या क्या इमर्जिंग इशू है, कहां कहां पर रिसर्च चल रहे हैं, where a researcher, a student spend his time. Lastly, is given in the emerging trends in the customer relationship management. Customer relationship management में आपको क्या क्या ट्रेंड चल रहे हैं, सेल्स फोर्स ऑटोमेशन क्या क्या है, what are the sales force automation is there. So these are discussed in his book of the customer relationship management, written by Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar. And a customer relationship management written by the Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar. The contents of the book is related to the introduction to the customer relationship management. Unit 2, customer value. Unit 3, analyzing profitability of the customers. How to profitability of the customers can be done. Unit 4, customer retention, acquisition, and expectation. What are the customer retention are there? How to retain the customer? How to acquire the customers? What is the customer expectation? What the customer wants? What the customer wants? This is the important here there. Unit 5, closed loop marketing. Closed loop marketing will be discussed here. Technology for customer relations, that will be discussed here. Electronic CRM, that will be discussed here. Managing customer relationship, that will be discussed here. Segmentation, targeting, and positioning of the customers, that will be discussed here. Unit 10, delivering customer offer, that will be discussed here. Unit 11, customer measurement, that will be discussed here. Unit 12, customer privacy, that will be discussed here. Unit 13, emerging trends in the customer relationship management, that will be discussed here. Unit 14, sales force automation, that will be discussed here. These are the discussed in the 14 parts. Introduction to the customer relationship management. This is important. Many of the multinational company, European company, are targeting to the customers. Targeting to the customers, that what the customer wants, what the customer expects, that he targeting to the customers. Targeting to the customers, what the customer wants. He will discuss today about the contents, objectives, introduction, definition and scope of the customer relationship management. What are the scope of the customer relationship management? What are the definition of the customer relationship management? History and evolution of the customer relationship management. What are the history of the customer relationship management? What are the evolution of the customer relationship management? Transformation of the customers and touch point analysis, that will be discussed here. What is the touch point analysis? That will be discussed here. Summary, keywords, review questions, and the further reading. What are the summary are there? What are the keywords are there? What are the review questions are there? What are further readings are there? That will be discussed here. Objectives. After studying this unit, you will be able to explore the definition and scope of the customer relationship management. Explore the definition and scope of the customer relationship management. Know the history and evolution of the CRM, customer relationship management. Examine the transformation of the customer. Analyze the touch point analysis of the customer relationship management. Introduction. Customer satisfaction has always been a key element in the pursuit of the corporate goals and objectives. Key element in the pursuit of the corporate goals and objectives. However, the current competitive environment posted by the liberalization and the globalization of the economy. Business, every business are doing for the competitive environment. They are the competitive environment are there, and due to the liberalization and globalization of the economy, a multinational company can enter in the poor industry, poor country due to the globalization of the company. This is the more important thing. You have to go for the customer satisfaction and the rising customer expectation for the quality. For and rising customer expectation for the quality, service, and value have prompted many companies to organize their business around the customers they serve, rather than around product lines or the geographic business units. This is partly because customer contact, care, and insight have been rendered increasingly more practicable and economical through the computers, telecom technology, and the internet. Today, the computers have come up. They have revolutionized the system. Internet has come. Historically, customer relationship existed even in the pre-industrial area due to the direct interaction between the producer and customers, as between the farmers and buyers of the agriculture products, or as artisan and craftsmen produced customized products for each customer. It was then mass production of the good in the industrial era led to the emergence of the middleman and transaction-oriented marketing. That direct interaction between the producer and customers become the less frequent. In recent years, however, several factors have contributed to the rapid development of the direct interaction between the producer and the customers. In recent years, however, several factors have contributed to the rapid development of the direct interaction between the producer and the customers. The concept of the customer relationship management as a cooperative and the collaborative process has thus tended to be more common. Its purpose is mutual value creation on the part of the marketer and the customer. Customer relationship management solutions provide customer-oriented services for the planning and the development. Customer relationship management solutions provide customer-oriented services for planning and the developing. Maintaining and expanding customer relationship. You have to maintain the customer relationship, expand the customer relationship with a special attention paid to the new possibility offered by the internet. New possibility has given through the internet, mobile devices, and the multi-channel interaction. Multi-channel interactions are there, mobile devices are there, internet is there, and you have to expand the customer relationship, maintain the customer relationship with the internet, with the mobile devices. Customer relationship management enables a company to capture a consolidated customer view through multi-channel interaction in a data warehouse solution. Multi-channel interaction in a data warehouse solution. Sophisticated analytical techniques are then applied to this customer information to the better understand and predict the customer behavior. You have to predict the customer behavior. Understanding the customer behavior is important. Many of the industry and the company are researching the customer behavior, what the customer wants. Customer relationship management can then be used to strategically implement acquired customer knowledge in every area of the company, from the highest management level to all employees who came into the direct contact with the customer. From the highest management level to all employees who come into the direct contact with the customer. Customer relationship management thus enables an organization to address its customer preferences and priority much more effectively and efficiently. Customer relationship management is a tool that can help organizations to profitably meet the lifetime needs of the customer better than their competitors. You have to understand their competitors and profitably meet the lifetime needs of the customer better than their customers. Definition and scope of the customer relationship management. What is the definition of the customer relationship management and scope of the customer relationship management? Customer relationship management is a comprehensive approach for creating, maintaining, and expanding customer relationship. Create the customer relationship, maintain the customer relationship, and expand the customer relationship. The three part of that is there. How to create a customer? You have to create the customer of your product. You have to maintain the customer. How to maintain the customer? This is the most important thing. And expanding of the customer relationship, you have to expand the customer relation. This is important. Significance of the words used in the definition. Comprehensive, approach, customer relationship. Customer relationship. Comprehensive. CRM does not belong to just sales or the marketing. It does not just belong to the sales or the marketing. It is not the sole responsibility of the customer service group or an IT team. It is not the sole responsibility of the customer service group or an IT team. CRM must be a way of doing business that touches all the areas. This is the customer relationship management. Approach. An approach is broadly a way of treating or dealing with the something. CRM is a way of thinking about and dealing with the customer relationship. We can also use the word strategy because CRM involves a clean plan. In fact, the CRM strategy can usually serve as a benchmark for the other strategy in your organization. Because any strategy set direction for your organization. We can also consider this from a department or area level, just as a large organization has a strategy for the shareholder management, marketing, etc. Each strategy must support managing and the customer relationship. The CRM is strategic. To realize this, one can make a list of the key strategy to brief your area of the responsibility. Then write down organizational approach towards the customer. What are the organizational approach towards the customers are there? You have to remain the customer focus. Customer focus. Compare the CRM strategy with the other strategy. What are the strategy for the customers are there? They should support each other. External customers are those outside the organization who buy goods and the services the organization sells. Internal customers is a way of defining another group in some organization. Whole work depends upon work of your group. Work of your group. Therefore, they are your customers. It is your responsibility to provide what they need so that they can do their job properly. Customer relationship. Finally, let us see what we mean by the customer relationship in today's world, where we do business with the individuals or group with whom we may never meet and hence much less know in person-to-person sense. This is a very important point is there. Finally, let us see what we mean by the customer relationship. In today's world, where we do business with the individual or group with whom we may never meet. We have never met. Hence, much less know in person-to-person sense. Customer relationship management is about creating the feel of the comfort in this high-tech environment. Customer relationship management is a discipline as well as a set of the discrete software and technology which focuses on the automating and improving the business. Automating and improving the business process associated with the managing customer relationship in the areas of sales, marketing, customer service, and the support. In the areas of the sales, marketing, customer service, and the support. CRM software application facilitate the coordination of the multiple business functions. CRM software application facilitate the coordination of the multiple business functions such as sales, marketing, customer service, and the support. And also coordinate multiple channels of the communication with the customer face-to-face, call center, and the web, so that organization can accommodate their customers' preferred channel of the interaction. Customer relationship management is a comprehensive strategy. It is a comprehensive strategy and process of acquiring, retaining, and partnering with the selective customer to create the superior value for the company. It creates the superior value for the company. Partnering with the customers, selecting the customer, retaining the customer, acquiring the customers. This is the important for any of the company. The basic objective of the customer relationship management is to increase marketing efficiency and the effectiveness. You have to increase the marketing efficiency and the effectiveness. It is cooperative and the collaborative process that help in reducing the transaction cost and overall development cost of the company. Reducing the transaction cost, this is the important. And overall development cost of the company, this is the important for any of the organization. CRM can also be defined as an alignment of the strategy, process, and technology to manage the customers and all customer facing department and the partners. CRM in short is about effectively and profitability managing customer relationship throughout the entire life cycle. Most customer relationship management initiatives began with the strategic need to manage the process of handling customer related information more effectively. For beginners, it could simply mean better lead management capability or sales pipeline visibility. However, as organizations mature in their CRM initiative, self-visualize as a tool to acquire a strategic differentiator. It includes adoption of the IT-related system. Training of the employees are the important factor. You train the employee so that the employee can face the challenges. He can take up the challenges of your company. And amendments in the business process related to the customers. It is not just software, but an approach to update and enhance business methods to improve the customer's relationship with the organization. It is not just software, but an approach to update and enhance business method to improve the customer relationship with the organization. CRM is a comprehensive approach which provides seamless integration of the every area of the business that touches the customer, namely marketing, sales, customer service, and field support through the integration of the people, process, and technology, taking advantage of the revolutionary impact of the internet. Revolutionary impact of the internet. This is the taking the advantage of the impact of the internet. This is the impact of the internet can be used too much in the sense. CRM creates a mutually beneficial relationship with your customer. In the rapidly expanding value world of the e-commerce, there is a new generation of the empowered customers emerging who demand immediate services with the personalized touch. Relationship marketing is a term often used in the marketing literature. Relationship marketing. It is sometimes used interchangeably with the CRM. Relationship marketing has been defined more popularly with a focus on individual or one-to-one relationship with the customer, integrating the database knowledge with the long-term customer retention and the growth strategy. Long-term customer retention is there and the growth strategy is there. Some writers have taken a strategic view and shifted the role of the marketing to genuine customer environment rather than manipulating the customers, tailing and the selling. Overall, the core of the CRM and relationship marketing is the focus of the cooperative and the collaborative relationship between the firm and its customer and for other marketing factors. It must, however, be noted that the CRM programs, customer relationship management program, now emphasize a wider spectrum of the efforts other than data-based one-to-one relationship with the customer, which characterizes relationship marketing. The development of the customer relationship management as a strategy is attributable to the certain emerging factors. One is the process of the disintermediation in the main industry, direct interaction with the end customers. You have to be directly interact with the end customers. This is due to the easy accessibility of the company to the sophisticated computer and the telecom technology. Thus, in the case of the financial institution, including the banks, insurance company, computer software, household appliances, and even consumables, the process of the disintermediation is making relationship marketing more popular. This development is also due to the growth of the service sector. Growth of the service sector. So far as services are supplied directly to the customers, it minimizes the role of the middleman. Middleman. There is inherently a greater emotional interaction between the service provider and the user, which is found necessary to be sustained and enhanced. What do you understand by the customer relationship? That is the questions is there. Very important questions is there. Why we go for the customer relationship? Why the company adopting the policy for understanding the customer? This is to be important. Self-assessment is there. Self-assessment is there, fill in the blanks is there, and customer relationship management is a comprehensive approach for creating, maintaining, and expanding. So today we have understand about what is the customer relationship. Why we go for the customer relationship? Why to adapt for the customer? Why we understand the customer? Why we understand the customer? What is the relationship marketing? This is important. This is the customer relationship approach, definition, and scope of the customer relationship management. We have discussed about what is the scope of the customer relationship management. What are the definitions of the customer relationship management? You have to create the customers. You have to maintain the customers, and you have expand the customers. You have to create the customers. You have to maintain the customers, and you have to expand the customers. आपको कस्टमर को क्रिएट करना है, कस्टमर जो जुड़ गए हैं उसको मेंटेन करना है और एक्सपेंड करना है, एरिया को एक्सपेंड करना है. There are three things of the customer relationship management is there. You have to create the new customers. You have to maintain the new customers. How the customer is to be maintained, and you have to expand the customers. You have to broaden area of the customers in the sense. This is the definition and scope of the customer relationship management. And in this case, comprehensive approach is given. Customer relationship is given. In recent years, several factors have been contributed to the rapid development of the direct interaction between the producer and the customers. Direct interaction between the producers and the customer. The customer relationship management as a cooperative and a collaborative process has thus tended to be more common. Customer satisfaction is the important. Either the customer is getting satisfied or not. This is the pursuit of the corporate goals and the objective. Rising for the customer expectation, that is for the quality, service, and the value have prompted many companies to organize their business around the customers they serve, rather than around product lines or the geographic business units. These are the introduction of the customer relationship management. We have discussed about the definition and scope of the customer relationship management, history and evolution of the customer relationship management, transformation of the customer, touch point analysis, summary, keywords, and the review question, and the further. And today he discuss about his book of the customer relationship management, of the customer relationship management, and the syllabus of the customer relationship management, and the content of the customer relationship management, that is divided into the 14 units. 14 units. 14 units. Again, going for the units of the customer relationship management: introduction to the customer relationship management, customer value, analyzing profitability of the customers, customer retention, acquisition and the expectation, closed loop marketing, technology for the customer relations, electronic CRM, managing customer relations, segmentation, targeting and positioning, developing customer offer, delivering the customer offer, CRM measurement, customer privacy, emerging trends in the customer relationship management, and Salesforce automation is there.